Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and I just thought I'd give you an update. So I've been home for 2 weeks since I landed in the UK. So I believe that everything happens for a reason, but of course you don't know the reason when it's happening. But with all of this Harding, Starboard, Virgin stuff, I obviously quit and came home a lot earlier than I would have if I'd have finished my contract on the Scarlet Lady. And of course, while this was going on, I was asking myself, I wonder why this is happening. I've got such a good gig at the moment. Why? So my grandfather passed the other day, and I've been working at sea for 8 years, and one of my biggest fears has been that one of my grandparents or anyone will die when I'm away, because what if I can't get back? What if? So I feel very lucky that I came home and I was able to see him a few times before he went, and I'm also home for it, and I'm able to spend this time with my family, and yeah. And I just can't help thinking wow, if I'd have taken the job with Starboard, I'd have still been on board, resilient. And I'm not saying this is the only reason, but yeah, I don't doubt that I've made the right choice. As I've said in the I Quit video, I've been working in the shops for 4 years. 5 years, no, for about 4 years. So it was time for a change. But there's also the element of thank God I did, because it meant that I'm home now during this difficult time. And normally when I come home from a ship, I miss it, and there's a certain grieving process to it, because you're never going to be on that ship with the same people. Sorry, I'm all foggy. Yeah, there's a certain grieving process to it, and you think about that ship and you miss it and you miss the people on it. But honestly, I think with everything going on, I just haven't even thought about the fact that I've left and I'm never going to go back on Virgin, and I've left Harding. I just haven't even really given it much thought, which is understandable with, I'm grieving something else. Just feel a bit numb, Sorry guys, I know this is not probably what you came for. This is a cruising channel, not a... But you guys are like my friends, and I want to keep you updated. And you know what was really funny though? So on the last day, my last video, where I was coming home, we were sat in the mess waiting to be taken out to immigration, and this guy who works for Virgin head office came up to me and he was like, "Oh, are you Lucy? You have Cruising as Crew?" I'm like, yeah. And he said, "Oh, Virgin are going to start running a crew influencer program thing." And I was like, I've actually quit, so sorry. And then I got home and I had an email from Harding, obviously a different sector of Harding, and they were like, "Hi, we're starting this influencer, we'd like you to do this and this and this." And I was like, I've quit. But I just thought it was so funny. I was like, I've worked for Harding Like, you've had so much time, and literally I quit, and both companies come to me and they're like, okay, so we want you to do this and we're going to incorporate your YouTube, and I'm like, sorry, a bit too late. But I just thought it was funny. I just thought, that's crazy that on my last day I get a few offers. But hey, isn't that just the way the world works? So I'm going to have maybe a month off. Maybe more, maybe less. And as I've said, I will inform you about this new job when I know what I can say. And to be honest, when I know a little bit more. I don't really know enough to tell you anything at the moment. So yeah, just I appreciate you being patient, because I know it's annoying when, you know, a YouTuber's like, I got this big announcement, but I'm not gonna say anything. It's like, cool. So I will tell you, but I just, at this point there's not much to say, and like I said, I don't want to say anything prematurely, so I think it's best if we just wait, and then I give you all the facts at once about the next chapter. But I mean, I don't feel like I need a break, because I was only on Scarlet for 2 months. So, I mean, physically I'm not tired, I feel fine, but obviously then I do need the time at home to be with my family, and yeah, get ready for what's next. But anyway guys, I really appreciate you watching. I'm sorry this video's been a bit mellow. I promise the next one will be a bit more upbeat. But yeah, I appreciate your support so much, more than you know. And we hit 50,000 subscribers. That's nuts. Sorry, I know I should be more excited, and I am so excited about it. Just like I said, I'm just a bit numb to it all at the moment, and it hasn't really sunk in that we've got 50,000 sailors. But thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.